History has taught me what I must do. How interesting. If you think you can change the future, prove it!
There's no way I'll lose, not with the strongest deck in the universe.
Duel!
Here I go. It's my turn. I'm setting a card. This'll be perfect. I summon a monster in attack position. I set a card. I'm ending my turn.
You'll enjoy this. It's my turn! I activate Malefic World's effect. Instead of drawing, I get a random Malefic card. The Tuna Monster! Malefic Parallel Gear!
As if I play my face down card. My trap activates.
Join me, Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon! Battle! Attack, Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon! White Lightning!
It ain't over yet.
I end my turn. There's no need to hesitate. Attack me!
Here I go. It's my turn. I draw. I'm ending my turn.
I know everything that your cards can do. My turn! I activate Malefic World's effect. Instead of drawing, I get a random Malefic card. I activate my continuous spell, Malefic Territory! I activate my spell card, Malefic Selector! I banish 2 Malefic cards to acquire 2 new Malefic cards! Appear! Malefic Paradigm Dragon! Rise up! Malefic Stardust Dragon! I give up a Malefic card to power Malefic Paradigm Dragon!
You really think that'll work? I play my face down card. My counter trap activates!
What? I offer up my life points to special summon Malefic Truth Dragon! Clear the way for the Almighty! Malefic Truth Dragon! Battle! Go, Malefic Stardust Dragon! Cosmic Flare!
Ah! You gotta be kidding me.
Attack! Malefic Truth Dragon!
can't be true. My game plan was perfect.
I will use what I learned to rewrite history.